Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed positive today and has also closed and also crossed this previous swing high but closed below that. Overall, the bias remains positive in the short term as well as in the medium term outlook because the momentum indicator has given a buy signal and the market is trading above 20 and 40 daily moving average. On the hourly charts, again this small range, this small retracement has completed and a higher top higher bottom formation has been forming since last couple of trading sessions. The momentum indicator has given a buy signal, so I'll be expecting a very good rally because this entire range has broken on the upside. We just need to give a close above 63.50 to confirm the breakout of this range. So 63.50 would remain a very crucial resistance going forward. The next target on the upside would be 64.15 in the very short term. Bank Nifty has formed this falling wedge pattern and I'll be expecting this falling wedge pattern to break on the upside. We've been trading around 20 and 40 daily moving average, but it should break on the upside because the momentum indicator on the daily charts are on the buy side. Support would be around 11,048 and 11,875. Resistance would be around 11,350 and 11,600. Canara Bank is looking good. Again, a falling wedge pattern broken on the upside. A small bullish flag pattern has been forming here. The momentum indicator on the hourly charts has given a buy signal. So the stop loss should be around 254 and target would be around 268 and 275. The second momentum call would be on ONGC. A triangular pattern has broken on the upside. You can see on the charts. The momentum indicator on the hourly charts given a buy signal. So I'll be expecting a very good rally in this stock. Stop loss should be around 284.50 and target would be around 297 and 303. So overall friends, medium term outlook and the short term outlook remains positive. Target would be around 6500, 64.15 first and then 6500 in the short term. The supports would be around 6300 and 6200. Those two levels are very crucial to watch in next couple of trading sessions. And on the higher side, 63.50 and 64.15 would be two levels to watch in the very short term. Thank you so much.